Okay, I'm changing the power steering pump. So now that I'm doing this, I want to show you how to change the sensor for the fan, right? Sorry about my English. I don't speak English very well. I speak Spanish. So, you know, some people say that you need to take the throttle body here, this section here, to access the temperature sensor, which tells the computer when to activate the fan. I think that's called the fan actuator, something like that, whatever. So an easier way is that you take the coils, which uses only two. Okay, the coil is goes this way right here. Okay, it uses the bolts right here, 2 bolts. They're very small bolts, so you just need to remove these 2, and you take the coil assembly, and if you see, you can access the sensor. You see, you have easy access to the sensor. You don't need to use any socket, because you know, this part right here won't let you put the socket in. So I don't remember exactly which one you need to use for this. Okay, by using your own tools, you can just put the correct one in there. So you can take it out and then replace it, put it back on, and put the coil assembly here with the 2 bolts, and that's all. It's going to be all together. Now for the fuel, for the power pump assembly, this is the bracket, this bracket right here. You need to take the bracket away, and then the pump is mounted in the bracket. In order to remove the pump, you need to remove the wheel right here, the pulley. You need to remove it with the puller right here. It goes under pressure. So when you replace the pump, you mount it in the bracket, and then you put the pulley on it with pressure again. To remove the bracket, you just need to remove this bolt right here, and then these other 3, the top one in here, this one in here, and the other one, which is right here in the middle. Can't show it very well, but it is right there. There are 3, 2, and then another one right here. And that's all. Just remove it. You can remove the high pressure and low and the return line of the, I don't remember how's this called, or whatever this section here, the power steering column there. Okay, just remove it from, just remove these 2 right here, this one and the other one, and that's all. That's how to replace the sensor and the power steering pump. Now, this sensor right here, as I said, is the one that tells the computer when to activate the fan. Okay, the sensor that goes into the needle in the instrument panel, it's right here behind the assembly. So you can access it with the, okay, it's kind of right there. Wow. You can use a wrench for an extension like this, I think it uses the 18 socket, 18 millimeters. I don't know. And you just remove it. Do not confuse this, the sensor right there behind, with this one right here. Okay, this one, the one hidden here, will tells the instrument cluster, the needle, to go up and down on the temperature. And this one right here, it's for the computer to activate the fan. So I hope this helped, and thank you for watching. Well, that's all. Thank you.